The interior is built on an assembly of extruded aluminum. We used 80/20's 10 series, which is a profile that measures 1 inch by 1 inch. We see a lot of builds using the larger 15 series, but have found the 10 series to be unbelievably strong and 1/3 of the price and weight of 15 series. The 10 series also has a wider array of fasteners and add-ons. When complete, we used about 40 pounds of aluminum in total, saving a significant amount compared to wood. The structure is connected to the van using seatbelt and grab handle mounting points. This makes for a very solid installation. The rock and roll bed is attached to the main aluminum structure and can be taken out in just a few minutes if needed. We then clad the aluminum structure in a glossy 5/8 inch cabinetry material. The rich dark wood grain cabinets seamlessly tie the original brown interior color to the white and blue upholstery. The cabinets are completed by a 3-drawer unit that uses a push lock mechanism to open.